Kitchen is done, you guys.
Oh yeah, that's a great job she did. That's a great job she did.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
You proud of you?
I'm proud of me. Look
You
at
did
that.
great.
Transformation.
You did great.
On point. Yes. That didn't work. Let's do that again. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, Faves. How are you guys doing? Tell us a morning, Faves.
Morning, Faves.
What you doing, Shawty?
I'm not sad.
You're not Shawty? What are you doing, Tyler? Huh? What you doing? You play with your tablet? Okay, enjoy because it's time to go to nap. Okay?
Okay.
Hi Faves, how are you guys? It's another morning in the Delaveau household. Well, early afternoon to be exact.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
it's our next morning.
Yes, it is. And what we're doing later, we're gonna do coloring and painting.
And reading.
And reading, right? But you have to nap first, okay?
Okay.
Alright. I promise him that we're gonna do that today. I don't know if you guys remember or if you're new or if you don't know, Tyler is on vacation. He's on 2 weeks vacation from school. So he'll be home for the next few days with moi. But yeah, I'm just here. I got up this morning. I feel so good today. I am motivated to get a lot done around here, so I've been doing that. I just had something to eat and I was looking at my Christmas tree and I'm like, it's time for this Christmas tree to go down. But I'm wondering that Tyler probably said, Mama, no. But let's see. How early do you guys normally take down your Christmas tree? Yes. How early you guys normally take down your Christmas tree? After New Year, before New Year, just after Christmas? When do you guys normally take down your Christmas tree? Yes, baby.
I put 3 marks after I put all the pops.
You put all the pops? These are all your pops? Tyler got this truck that he's been obsessing over. It's the ultimate Paw Patrol fire truck.
Here with me. Sit with me.
Okay, show Faves all your pups. Funny enough, on our way home from the family, babe find the pup this pup in a store. That's the only one he didn't have. So he finally have all of them. Show Faves all of your pup. Who is that? Who is this? All 3 is the same. What's his name?
3 Marshall.
Okay, yeah, 3 Marshall. Alright, show Faves the others. And who is this?
And 1 Everest.
Okay, and who is this?
1 Zuma.
Okay, and who is this? Okay, and this?
1 Rocky.
Okay, and this?
1 Tracker.
Okay, and who is this?
1 Chain.
Okay, and who is this?
1 Rubber.
So you guys know that he's Paw Patrol obsessed. So he have all the Paw Patrol doggies and he have all the Paw Patrol vehicles and his room is Paw Patrol. So you guys know that he's a real Paw Patrol fan. No, I have things to do and you're gonna nap right now. You want to show Faith something? I hope you guys not hearing the music in the background. Let me go and turn it down because it might be too loud. I'm coming back. I'm going to turn off this music in the background. Alexa, stop. Alex have been jamming all morning with me because I like to work in music. It keeps me going. Tell I want to show you guys something, so here goes whatever he's showing. Okay, they're listening.
Look at it. And then we put it back. And then choose some more. Look at what's that.
Oh, what you doing? Oh, he's shooting the water from under here. So these are supposed to be water.
And what's that?
Oh, he can shoot from the back too. I didn't know. Wow! Good job. That's what you wanted to show, Fibs?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Run along to the bathroom. It's time to go get ready for a nap, okay?
Okay.
Okay, run along. Run along, run along, run along. So Tyler is going to get a nap. And I have a mission to accomplish after I put him down for a nap.
I forget to tell Fish.
You forget to tell Faves what?
Fish. I'm going to go to nap. After nap, I'm going to do painting and color and reading book with Mama after. But first, we need to go to nap.
All right, go. I'm coming. Oh my gosh, you guys. Everything that I had planned today just didn't work out the way I wanted it to work out. And Tyler went to nap and I went to nap too, okay? And it's way in the evening and we're just waking up, but that's okay. He went to bed knowing that I promised him that he was going to color and paint with me, and he woke up remembering exactly that. And as he woke up, that's the first thing he asked for. So I have to crash everything that I had planned. Instead of doing that now, I'm going to color with my baby.
Okay.
Wait.
May I
Like
do
this.
it?
Yeah, but you have to color in the line. You have to color in the line just like Mama gonna color in the line, okay? Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Don't go out here. You stay in here. Okay? Very good. And you cover all the white. Look. You see? All the white. All of it. Look at Mama. All the white you color. It's getting hot.
Okay.
Continue. All the white. All the white. Continue. Look at Mama own. You see?
Don't help me.
Look. When you color, you go like this with the pencil. You press on it and you go like this. But that's not where the pink's supposed to go. Look where the pink's supposed to go. The pink's supposed to go on his clothes. Like this. Okay, you cover all the white in purple.
Okay.
Okay. Very good, baby. All of the white in purple. Look what you're doing. Don't look at Mama. Look at it. All of the white. All of it. Continue all of the white. Hold it up some more so you can see what you're doing. Hold it like this. Do it now. All of the white, Ty. All of the white. See, you have more white here to cover. All of the white, okay? You see Mama color all of the white? That's how I want you to color all of the white.
Mama, can you help me, please?
Yes, I can help you. You are doing very good. Do it like this. Look what you're doing.
Okay.
Like this. See? You see? There's no more white remain. You see? You see? You see? You see it?
Okay. Look.
Continue all of the white. You're not supposed to see no white when you finish. All of the white, Mama says. Remember, you cover all of the white. When you're at school and you're coloring, what do? Color all of the
white.
And you stay in line. You do what? You stay in
line.
Very good. Continue. Color all of it. Continue. All of it. Look what you're doing. Press on it hard. Right. Strong. Right. And you stay in line. Stay in line. Very good. You're not doing bad at all. Show the face. Move your hand. Very good. Bravo. Okay. While Tyler is finishing off his coloring, I am gonna throw this chicken in the oven. It's jerked. So I'm doing some oven jerk real quick. I haven't had jerk in a while. So that's what's going down for dinner tonight. You finish?
Yes, look.
Good job. Bravo. Okay, which color are you gonna do next? You're doing so well. Which color are you gonna do next?
But there's more white.
Oh, so that means it needs to do with the brown. Where's the brown? I know if you are not new to my channel, the moment I turn on this camera, you guys will notice a difference in the kitchen. Everything here is gone, and the reason why is because I am finally going to finish my kitchen backsplash. This backsplash, which I started a few weeks ago, I finally got the remains and I'm going to finish it. So backstory, if you're new to our channel, we recently got this new kitchen a few months ago, like in September, and I did this backsplash after that. And now I didn't have enough to take it all the way around here, but now we finally got all the rest of the pieces, and I'm going to try and knock out this backsplash real quick. So I didn't give you guys any update on this backsplash when I put it up. The only problem that I have with this backsplash is that I realized that each time I had to go back and stick, kind of secure back the thing onto the wall. So what I had to do is just put a little bit of glue behind there when I realized that I had to do that often. Like if I'm wiping it off, I would realize that I would have to do extra sticking. So I put a little bit of glue behind there, and I haven't had that problem since. But it takes the heat fine, it's taking care of the wall, and it's doing well, as you guys can see.
Mama.
That's it. And now I'm gonna hold on, Tyler. I didn't finish up here because, like I said, it had finished and I didn't have enough. So now I'm gonna finish up here and do all of that. Yes, little one.
I'm ready to paint.
Mama going to do something first, so we'll paint after. So you can. Do you want some more snack?
I want a croissant.
Okay, you'd like a croissant?
Yeah.
Okay, you can have a croissant. Let me help you. No, I don't want any croissant right now. I'm waiting on dinner to finish.
And you?
No, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, here you go. Croissant mouth. Here you go. You see?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Put it here.
Where did I put the cover for the... Okay, it's here. Wait. Alright, go and eat a croissant and watch your tablet until Mama finish, okay?
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Alright, so let's knock out this backsplash real quick. Let's see how fast I can get it done. Oven jerk is done, you guys. That looks so yummy. Jeez. And this is going with some rice because I have rice in the fridge. So that's dinner for tonight.
What are you doing, Tyler?
I'm packing up my eyes.
You okay? Tyler, guess what? Notification time. Notification.
Shout out goes to
Gwendolyn Ward. And to Maxime Taylor. Right. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Okay, you guys, finally finished, and that's the end result of the kitchen. That looks so good. It transformed the kitchen completely, don't babe?
Mm-hmm. You did
And
a
look who's
great
home.
job.
We're home.
It's the mini weekend. It's the big weekend, should I say, not the mini weekend. 4 days.
So he'll be home 4 days.
4 days.
Because it's New Year's Day.
Yeah.
The day before New Year's Day, he took off, and then Saturday, Sunday, so 4 days. Kitchen is done, you guys.
Oh yeah, that's a great job she did. That's a great job she did.
Look at that! Oh my gosh!
You proud of you?
I'm proud of me. Look
You
at
did
that.
great.
Transformation.
You did great.
On point, yes.